From the waters of Gili Islands to the beaches of Nusa Penida, our adventure takes us to the heart of Bali. This is Ubud. Good morning and welcome to Ubud in Bali. We are currently here at
TIBUMANA waterfall,
which is one of the most popular waterfalls in all of Bali, and specifically here in the Ubud area. It's not too far outside of town. So we're going to start our day here, and our goal is to go to some of the most beautiful places that Ubud has to offer, and obviously share everything here with you. We're starting here at the waterfall, and it's about like a 15-minute walk
from the parking area.
And how much was it per person? It was.
You have to buy a little ticket right at the parking area, and it's 20,000 rupees per person, which is less than $2.
Yeah. So it should be worth it. Because we got here early, here on a Friday morning, there's like nobody. So we're really excited, hopefully get some really beautiful shots, just kind of enjoy our time here at the waterfall before our next destinations. So let's go. We have made it here to the waterfall after a strenuous 10-minute walk. I'm just kidding, no.
That's so easy.
Super easy. It was crazy. I was like, oh, we're already here after the parking lot, which is nice. A little tip is, so like I said, we got here, I think, around 8 a.m. or a little bit before. People didn't really start coming in until after 9 a.m. So like we pretty much, except for like one couple that came and then left, had the entire waterfall to ourselves. It's amazing. And even now it's still beautiful, really kind of peaceful place, except for us vlogging here. But also, from online, a lot of the photos looked like a little bit more blue crystal water. Here it's still clean, but it's just more muddy, right? So it gives us this greenish brown look.
It could be the time of year which we're approaching the rainy season. So maybe it's a lot more blue and surreal as you see on Instagram. But it's beautiful, just not as blue as you may be expecting. Yeah,
but still definitely nice. Definitely worth visiting. We enjoyed it, and now we're hungry, so we're gonna go enjoy some Bali breakfast closer in the town of Ubud. So let's go. We paid like 100,000 rupiahs for Ali to go on this swing. Are you excited, Ali?
Welcome to TIBUMANA swing. Next time, I will recommend your friend come to Bali for play swing at TIBUMANA.
Yes.
Have a nice day and thank you for your coming.
And we are now here for a late brunch at Hobarts. And as you can see, the food here looks amazing. And yeah, definitely not traditional. And a little kind of tip that we want to give. So we've been staying in the Ubud area for 30 days. And during that period, there's a 6-day period where Ali and I got food poisoning twice within 6 days.
From highly rated places.
Exactly, lots of reviews, highly rated, and got food poisoning twice. So we've been here before, the food was great, and it's one of the best brunch spots in Ubud. So we decided to come again, and that's kind of our reasoning for why. And also, right here down the street, one of the places where we got sick with 2 friends. So we all 4 ate. Immediately after, like that night and the next day for the next 48 hours, where it had really bad food poisoning, was Twist. So if you're looking for a place to eat, do not eat at Twist in Ubud. This looks great. After this, we're actually going to walk not too far away to the monkey forest of Ubud, which we're super excited for. So let's eat and let's go see some monkeys. couple of monkeys have now entered the monkey forest. And so far, I will say it's like more, I don't know, developed than I expected it to be. It feels almost like walking in a zoo.
It was 80,000 rupias per person, so like a little bit less than $5
per person, so really nice. And right as soon as you get to the entrance, already you see like monkeys everywhere.
Even before.
Yeah, before the entrance, exactly. So let's go monkey crazy. Check this out, we're here at the place of the original monkey selfie. So the guy, if you can kind of see, he feeds the monkey while he's snapping a photo, so it looks like the monkey's snatching the phone.
Yeah, we'll have to take one too. Is especially known for its rice terraces, and we're here at one of the most famous in all of Bali, which is TEGALLALANG rice terrace. We're starting here at Tes Cafe, which is supposed to have one of the most beautiful views of the terrace. We're getting a couple of drinks and enjoying the views, and later we're gonna go down and explore the rice terraces. So cheers!
Seeing the rice terraces is free, but there's the option here when you start to give a donation, which we're definitely going to do because it's totally worth it. So, little donation here, as much as you want to give. Absolutely. Thank you very much. It's her rice terraces, so it goes to her. So, thank you very much. And a little tip that we wanted to give in terms of getting around for transportation. So one option is renting a scooter, which we actually tried to do, but found a little bit good. Almost hit somebody, so I stopped doing that. So instead what we do is we rely basically, that's like Uber for Bali, but it's not Uber, it's called Gojek. So you get the Gojek app on your phone, and then you can kind of schedule rides. You can schedule scooter rides or car rides, which we feel a little bit safer with. You
can also order food there, which has been so helpful. So
that's
you
true
can
too.
use in many ways.
Yeah, so it's a great app for food, for getting rides, and almost all the time, if you try to get a taxi, it'll be more expensive than just using the app, which is what we did for going like long distances, like an hour plus, or even like 15, 20 minutes away. So yeah, use Gojek. And we've just arrived here at our final stop here outside of Ubud at
CAMPUHAN walkway.
And look who decided to join us. If you remember from our Gili vlog, we have Marcus and Cynthia. Had an amazing time in Gili, and hopefully also having another amazing time here in Ubud. So yeah, we're here at the walkway. Once you get dropped off, it's about apparently a 30-minute walk toward the kind of, I guess, iconic part of the walkway, the end. So already got a little bit of a start. We're gonna kind of keep going, hopefully get some beautiful views here at golden hour. So
let's go.
Let's go.
called Simply Socials, and we're super excited because the food looks amazing. I don't really know the names, but we have like some sort of chicken noodle over here with some sides. Sumner got some spicy chicken with rice. Marcus has some barbecue. Pork barbecue, also coleslaw and some sides. Cynthia is the most Balinese over here. She got the fried rice, very popular in Bali. Seafood fried rice with some sides.
What's better here in Bali than getting Italian gelato? So yeah, I know we said we're gonna try to get something more traditional tonight, and definitely didn't pan out that way, but
it was amazing.
We passed by this Italian gelato place. It's been really great.
Oh my god.
Everything we've eaten here, so whether you're getting traditional food or non-traditional food here in Ubud, you can't go wrong. There's so much good food here.
No, you can't go wrong.
If you go to Twist, you...
You go to the twist, you'll be twisted.
You'll be twisted.
So between the nature and the sights, the food, the culture, everything, Ubud is amazing. I would argue the best part of Bali personally. This is amazing. And we hope that you love this adventure because we loved having you along with us. And if you did like this video, you'll love this video here on the screen. And as always, thanks so much for watching. God bless. We look forward to having you on the next one. Till then, bye.
Don't go to the twist.